Good, relax, relax.
Is that a pressure point?
Yeah. Good.
Now you just heard those cracks and saw the reactions to them. You want to stick around for the rest of this video so you don't miss any more of these cracks and adjustments. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Let's get into it. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Okay, so give me an update. How'd you feel after the last visit?
Awesome.
Okay. How's this feel over there? Is it terrible or what?
Yeah, that's pretty terrible.
Let's see. Is there any tenderness here in the SI joint? How about the right side? Any tenderness there?
Yeah, not as bad as the left.
Left SI joint. This here. Your muscles are pretty tense over here on this left side. And rid of this L5, sacrum. Nothing too bad. Any headaches? Neck pain?
No. My thumb. I think I'm getting carpal tunnel from my phone. Mm-hmm. Like if I was on my phone too much, like one day of the week, it'll like affect me for a couple days.
All right. We'll look at your thumb. We'll get that adjusted, but ultimately you should start swiping. So, talk to type is a thing. It's not there yet, but completely. And Siri doesn't always know what you're saying, but swiping is an option. Talking to text is an option. All right, let's take a look at it. Go ahead and lay down on your belly. Here, lift your chin just a little bit. Good. How does that feel comparatively to the other?
Yeah, that feels better.
That's better, okay. I'm going to straighten you out on the table. Okay. Go ahead and lift your left leg up in the air. Good, down. Right leg.
Oh,
down. Was it harder on one side than the other?
I think harder on the left.
Okay. That suggests this side.
Yeah.
You do on this side?
Yeah. I don't know what.
Right side. Is that tender?
Yeah.
What about this? Is
yeah, that's actually more tender.
Here?
Not too much.
Go down. Right side up. Go down. Replace this one here a little bit. Good. Okay, Emma, you ready to get adjusted?
Mm-hmm.
Breath again, do it again. Good, and out. Good, sinking in, perfect. Good, and out. Good, sink, shoulders, let go. Pretty good. Okay, same thing. So this time we push at the top of the breath. So you're going to breathe all the way in, and then as you breathe out, just let your shoulders relax with your breath. So take a deep breath in. Now let it all go. Back as you blow it out. Good. Come on, all the way down. Let your head relax on the thing. Good. Just like sink in. Let your back relax now. Good. Elbows in. Here's your blow it out. Breathing. Good. Good. Alright, I'm going to bend the top leg here. Bottom leg is straight. Good. I'm going to scoot you forward just a little bit like this. Like this, and your hip down just a little bit more. There's more in there. Hold on. Good. Good. Lay your back. Just relax. Good. We're going to bring the hip down like this. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're going to bring the shoulders up. Get a little bit more. Good. Let the hips relax. Good. One more time. It's right there. I'm going to just skip the rest of this. Good. Good. Lay your back. Good. Nice and gentle breathing. Good, let this sink. Good, breathing softly, softly. Let it out softly. Let your head and shoulders completely go. Good. Okay, now one on the left. Let your head drop in. Good. Shoulders, hips, letting it all sink. Good. Nice and flexible here. Good little push. Okay, nice gentle pull for the ankle here, just in this direction like that. One more time, it's right there. What?
I felt like it was there too.
It is, it's right about there. I'll go back to that. Okay, we'll start with the organs of digestion. The ileocecal valve here in between the belly button and the ASIS. Good. Yours is pretty good. It's empty. What's the last time you ate?
Probably 4 hours ago, but I only ate like a half a bagel.
4 hours ago, half a bagel. The sphincter is clear. I don't think I've ever said it like that. I don't know why. It was funny too. All right, I'm going to do a diaphragm release here. Good, nice deep belly breaths. Good. Good. Lay your elbows on the table. That's good. One more time. In breath. Good. Keep your teeth together. Good. Shoulders and chin. Let your chin relax.
Oh. How'd you know it was this one?
I don't know if you signaled it earlier or if you said it, but actually, I asked surprisingly, is this the one? Because the left one is the one that was weak.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm right-handed.
But often, sometimes your handedness doesn't preserve dominance because, like, you need your handedness for more finite things, like writing. You know what I mean? You don't need to be stronger. So being one side dominant means you're better coordinated in that side, but not necessarily stronger. relax. Good. Ooh. It's in there. Hold on. Relax both your arms. Good. Relax.
Is that a pressure point?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good. Sit up straight. Here. Okay, let this relax. Down. Let this one relax too. Good. Loose.
Ooh.
Cool. Sounds like we knocked some stuff loose up here.
Yeah.
Good. Let's work on your sinuses and your cranial.
Okay.
I like your little skunk mark here.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.